Hi one and all in the Presidency University watching this video, and we have the very beautiful, very lovely Sari, first of all I should say, Nisha, Dr. Nisha is with us from the management department, and she's been doing wonders, and now a biggest wonder is going to happen. Nisha, you guys are creating history, I heard, with Prudentia, an event which is going to go online with more than 300 students that are participating. I think this is happening for the first time, so wonderfully executed stuff, should I say, because this is going to happen on this Friday and Saturday, the coming Friday and Saturday. But I want to know more about Nisha. What is Nisha, and what is she? How did she get into this kind of managerial role and all that?
Actually speaking, I am Nisha. I have got an experience, worldwide experience of teaching in Africa, in Middle East, and now I'm back to my home country. So, but throughout my teaching career, students are my passion. And because I've got so much of extracurricular background, I've got this Western ballet, I'm a graduate in mime. So cultural activities and extracurricular activities was always very close to my heart. And one most major important thing is students are very close to my heart. So I just can't suffer boring, just academic. And minded, maybe throughout India it is happening that teachers are sitting in front of the system. They are not getting to see the students. And throughout in front of the system going on teaching, it's a suffering. It has become more or less suffering for the students and the teachers both. So when Dean Ma'am gave me this opportunity of being the convener and the committee chancellor for student events, I was literally relieved. Oh God. So she came up with some ideas of organizing events, and we did it. So first was an intra-college event, the mock parliament one, which went on very good and proper. So that was a success. That was kind of a pitch play. After that pitch play, this inter-college fest was given to me, and I was thinking, okay, how to organize, how to get students. But then I thought, okay, but that would be an opportunity of getting students pan-India. It won't be limited to only a fest with some 80 or 90 students across this city, but we can manage to get students across and they also would be getting an opportunity of participating, having some fun time. So then I and my Sena of students, marvelous. I should give the kudos to students. They were marvelous. You won't believe it. If I tell them to make a poster, even 2 o'clock midnight, within 2 hours, they will create the poster and send it to me. So, we had been working 24 hours.
My God.
It was a success. While walking, we never knew that we were going to create history. But at this juncture, bravo.
Fantastic. That is why we have walked to create history now with Prudentia. So the point is, I really feel this has to go offline. It had to become offline with so much efforts being there. But do you feel online is somewhere coming as blessing in disguise?
It's definitely a blessing in disguise. Why? Because maybe 5 years back, we, the teaching fraternity, we were thinking, okay, what is coming? Online thing would be coming, digitization would be coming, and what is happening and what not. And COVID has made it literally rule up and make it more fastened. And you don't know, when students came up with these ideas like treasure hunt or singing or dancing, this is definitely something very offline. But how they incorporated it, share trading with an online platform, with an app, they are making it possible. So it's fantabulous. I won't say fabulous, I would say fantabulous. So it's great.
My God, Nisha, you guys are doing this online. I mean to say the beatboxing stuff, I mean to say the treasure hunting stuff and all that through an app. Now that is really interesting, which is going to happen this Friday and Saturday. Definitely, please, anybody who is not yet registered, from Nisha's perspective, I will say please go register immediately and do it. What is this app, Nisha? Who developed this app? And can you just tell us more about this app thing? What is it?
App is the business plan and the share trading. There is an app already available. We were not aware. So they just took it and they are using it for the share trading. It's generally a gaming app only, which we are utilizing. But eTreasure, what they have done it is, they would be quizzing it out. Like they would be giving you cues, and maybe sitting in your home situation only, you have to find out that cue, and within a specific time you have to find out that nothing. So it's a treasure hunt only. It becomes a treasure hunt. It's just only cognitive thinking, creative thinking.
My God, you guys are making sure most of the, the event management thing becomes much more easier going online with all these ideas that's going to go out.
The entire credit goes to the students.
Now you said so much about the students. Now it is definitely time to please go ahead and meet our students who is already there. I should say students because now it is again COVID situation. Now see, we've still not started the entire classes altogether. But I would like to introduce Aishwarya here and Shakti here. Aishwarya, I should mention this. She has come from a long way only to support Nisha in this event and practically be present on this video. Nisha, I would request you to please join your, what Sena you are calling them?
I consider, because I am so close to students, and I consider myself as a monkey, Hanuman, and these are my Vanar Senas.
Jai Anjanaya, super. So, Aishwarya, Nisha, fantastic dancer, ballet dancer and all that. Have you seen her dancing?
No, sir, we haven't. I haven't seen because I got to know that such good lecturer exists in our college when we started this event.
Whoa.
So trust me, it was such an honor to be, working with her. I see, whenever ma'am tells us about any event, she teaches us a life lesson.
Right.
And that is something that we'll take long way in our life.
Right.
So yeah.
Superb. So Shakti, we would just want to show it to the camera as well for all seeing it. Prudentia, that is, it goes online fest on July 16th and 17th. So please do register. And this is the e-treasure that we were talking about. Treasure hunt happening online. My God. Now, first of all, who came up with this idea? Who coined this idea of doing it? Aishwarya! Fantastic.
Itself. Yeah, so basically I started thinking that all the corporates, all the people are at home, we students are at home. Let's think about something different than the other events that are happening in every college. So then and there I got the idea when we students were discussing. So I got this idea to, make something unique in an event. So yeah, and I told them that let's do some treasure hunt. So they were like, how will you do online? So even ma'am was like, kaise karne wale ho tum? So I was like, no ma'am, it's easy. We'll be giving them the riddles and they just have to find the object, solve the riddle and get that object in just 60 seconds.
My God.
So yeah, that is going to be a challenge for them.
So this is just not history in the making with so many students participating online first. This is a trendsetter, Nisha. You guys are, my God, fantastic. Shakti, with you being there, I should have also seen online fashion competition also as well with all your height, and I'm like comparing myself with your height and all that. So fantastic, Shakti. What do you have to tell about Prudentia and for the students that are going to participate this Friday and Saturday, and also about the winners that they'll be announced immediately?
Yes, sir. Basically, like we are having a e-treasure. There is one more thing, as ma'am was discussing about the share trading. Like it becomes difficult for the people to invest in the share market as people are like a bit hesitate in investing the share market.
Like me.
Yes, sir. So with this event, what we are trying to promote people to invest in the share market.
Right.
So what people believe that they will lose money in it. So no, it won't be happening anything. There are some virtual platforms which let you invest in that. So what we are doing is we are encouraging the students to go towards this side since we belong to the School of Management and Business. So we want the development in the business sector also. So if the students will come forward in the business along with the business tycoons, so it can be a miracle. So share trading is the kind of thing where students will explore more about the business fields and all.
My God, it's not just Nisha, it's not just history in the making, it's not just trend setting, you're also allowing people to make money. Wow! Prudentia rocks! So we are all gonna...
Hi, sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
So this might only be a few handful of people, but online, of course, there is a history in the making. 300 to plus students, they are going to participate. That's unbelievable, Nisha. All the very best for
And
this.
the thing is, the student volunteers are also placed pan-India.
Yeah.
They are organizing it pan-India. They are also situated in different cities, and yet they are being so active in participating.
So you have earned in the African currency and Dubai currency and Indian currency. You're also asking your students to earn. Fantastic. So the one word on the registration thing and the timing thing. When is it going to start online?
Yeah. So, please, guys, tomorrow is the last date of registration, and your form itself has got the link which you can click and directly register. So please go ahead with that. Already we have got 300 plus registered students, and this event starts 9 a.m. sharp on 16th July, Friday. So let's make it happen. Rock, guys. Be a part of the history. We are creating history.
Superb. You want to make money? Log in 9 a.m. Thank you. And also, Nisha, without the Dean ma'am support, I'm sure this wouldn't have been possible. So let the students make money, and can we go talk to your Dean ma'am?
Sure, it is her brainchild only. It was just her idea, which we bloomed it into a flower. So definitely, Dr. Gunjit Kaur, our Dean of SOC and SOM, she's a wonderful person. Let's go.
Also, what is the share that you're going to give her after the money that not to be told in the video?
0.
So after the students spoke about Prudentia, we have the Dean herself with us, the Dean of both School of Management and School of Commerce. Ma'am, Prudentia, wonderful thought. I heard it was your brainchild, and now this child has gone to become a managerial level, yeah?
Yes. I am so happy. Number one, to be at Presidency University, and number two, to be the Dean of School of Management and School of Commerce. I really thank Chancellor Sir for giving me an opportunity to be the Dean. And ever since I've come here, I'm basically from Delhi, so I'm not, because of the lockdown, the COVID and all. I would love to meet students all over India. I've been in this education career for a long time. So we have, I just thought, I said, what is the best way where I can, engage with students all over. And then I thought the best way is fun, because in classroom, the students are as it is stressed out, oh great. So I thought the best way is fun. And then of course we have Dr. Nisha, and I have the support of all Presidency University student team who are working day and night towards it. So they really have done wonders. I was just like, it's all their work. So it was just my thought, and how they have actually practically implemented. It's like awesome. Totally awesome.
Ma'am, also, this is the first ever time that this is going to happen, because online, a fest organizing at this level, I'm sure you guys are creating history here. So how happy that you are feeling on these lines? Yes, you have told that, but have you ever thought that there's going to be an online history for an intercollegiate fest to happen in such a big scale?
No, definitely not. Had I known that Dr. Nisha and the student teams were so capable, they have raised my level of expectation. Next time I'm going to do an international event. I am going to invite students from all over the world. And even if the COVID lockdowns are over and we are going physical, I'm going to do it online, because I got, and I'm really surprised, believe me. Although I am basically a very positive-minded person and I had complete trust in the student team, I am really surprised. So many registrations I had yet to, online event, and so many registrations and so many emails we are getting daily. It is really a wonder. It's really a wonder, just goes to show that what I personally believe in, having fun while studying, study is not the only thing, is really, in demand.
Yes.
So all the students from all over universities, institutes, B schools, who have registered, I really appreciate, I really thank them, and I'm looking forward to meeting them, and they will have a totally different experience, because ultimately it's Presidency University.
Super. Before we conclude, I see a lot of things that Prudentia is trying to do. It's like dance competition, just a minute, poetry, quiz competition, beatboxing and all that. If I'm not wrong, since the peppy and chirpy person that you're so fun-loving and all that, I don't want to pick a choice of your favorite in this, or you're doing it best in any of the category, but I would really want to know, and all our Presidency University YouTube watchers will also want to know, which is the one thing that is more close to you? Is it beatboxing, dance competition, or what are you very, very close at and like doing it always?
Like doing it always, there are two things.
Right.
Actually doing, I love to dance.
Wow.
I love to dance. And cannot do, but just totally love the actual talent of it, beatboxing.
Wow.
I watch videos on YouTube for beatboxing and I really want to stand in front of the mirror and go, I couldn't do it. I can't do it. I really wonder at the talent that people have.
Ma'am, let us just try on this line, ma'am. Let us just try a little bit of
I
this
cannot.
thing. No, something like that's it. That's more than enough. Come on, ma'am, please. Super, ma'am, fantastic, and all the very best because on this Saturday and Friday the event is going to happen
Yes,
online,
yes.
and really looking forward to Prince Ma'am.
Yes, I am too. I'm really looking forward to interacting with all the students, and there are a lot of goodies, a lot of certificates, and a lot of prizes to be won. And I'm really excited, and I am looking forward to meeting so many people. So I would just request everyone who's watching this, please hurry, because just 1 or 2 days are left, and then the registrations will close. Come and be a part of history. Come and make history, and come and interact with me and everyone at Presidency University, and see the fire that we all have, and you will really love and enjoy first interaction with Presidency University. Thank you.